Alright, there's Dad. He's walking up this road, and there's an elk over in that plum thicket. I don't think it's plums, but it's might be choke cherries. Anyway, hopefully you can see him. There's an orange dot, and that's my dad. Just killed himself a big bull elk. First elk he shot in 30-some years. Put him down 175 yards, 7mm Magnum Ruger. He's got to be less than 50 yards from him right now. He's almost to him. I think he sees him. I think he should see him. Is he dead? Alright, that's my dad. He hunts elk.